Hi, welcome to KJ and Tony Love France.
If you've ever wondered what it's like to climb up to the top of one of the most breathtaking villages in the south of France, this video is for you. We are bringing you with us, literally with us, as we climb from the base of Eze, where the perfume factory is, all the way up to the top of Eze village. So Tony is staying relatively silent today because he has some massive allergy issues that he's struggling with today. And I just want to prep you. This is about 10 minutes long, this video of us climbing up to the top and the views, the spectacular views from the top. So it's about 5 minutes as we're climbing from the base all the way up to the top, taking you with us through the village. And then the rest is of the top, the scenery at the top. And we'll be joining you afterwards and sharing with you some of our feedback relative to what it was like for us, and also some interesting facts that you may not be aware of relative to Eze. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, on y va. This is the very start of our trek up to the top of Eze. Didn't she say to go this way?
Yeah.
Okay, then we're going this way. Our tour guide said to go this way.
Robimy 75 dzisiaj. Nie mam, ale... 75 do 70.
This is just the first landing. We here?
I don't think so. We can't. Oh, probably not. Oh yeah, because
There's a cafe up here. What?
we only have like
Okay.
a half hour up
Okay,
here.
go ahead. I'm following you. It looks like there's a hotel up here.
Wow.
Chateau Eze Restaurant and Hotel.
All little stores.
It's a jewelry shop. Let me just look down here. So pretty.
Lives there, I think.
What?
Somebody lives there.
Yeah. Looks like it. Looks like there are little apartments up here. Piers, I have to take a rest for a sec.
Without spilling all the water out, right?
Definitely glad we didn't climb Castle Hill yesterday. Would not have been able to. What?
I don't know which way I'm going.
We're supposed to be going towards the botanical garden.
Doesn't say.
Jardin Exotique. Must be this way. She said go right. So. No?
I don't know.
Oh, here it is. It's up here, see? Jardin Exotique. It's where we need to go to get the ticket to go up to the top. Oops. Alright, we're at the place where we get a ticket to do the final ascent. There's a lot of really cool shops. I wish we had more time.
It's 10 euro.
Okay. Oh.
No to dla mnie pocieszające.
I don't make photos.
Okay. Let me say. I always do it. Somebody will take picture.
Oh my goodness. How you holding up, Tony?
You good?
So glad I left my sweater in the van.
Ça va un peu, au moins ils ont réussi à sortir leur petit de ce truc là.
We are here at the top of Eze. It was really a workout to get up here, but we made it. We're here. I think we have to start making our way down. We are heading back down now. It's much easier going down than it is going up. Although we got ourselves a bit lost here for a minute.
gotta be someone's private
There's
home.
an ape right
Maybe
there.
it's hotel parking.
Maybe it's hotel, right?
Could be, I guess. It's a possibility.
The last air.
But I saw people from our tour going that way. I wonder if we can't get down this way.
No, we can get down. I think.
We can? What is this too? This beautiful gate. Oh, Chateau.
I think it's a hotel.
Yeah.
We walked by here on the way up, didn't we?
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
Could've
We
took
walked
that path
down
over
that
there.
path.
Oh, that's good.
But we're literally, this path went straight up. She just told us to take the stairs because it would be faster.
So we hope that you enjoyed that. Tony, what did you think of the experience?
Well, I mean, I hate for people to be disappointed if they get there and find that they can't walk to the top themselves.
it's a trek.
It's a trek, and you better be in decent shade because it's exhausting, and there's not a lot of places to stop and rest.
Mhm.
And if you're on a tour like we were, you don't have a lot of time to
Time
stop.
limited.
So
Mhm.
that would be the big thing that I would say. Every time we've been to the south of France, people have said, "Did you go to Eze?"
Mhm.
And nobody mentioned to us. Everybody said that
The
it's
hill.
the hill,
Mhm.
but not how tough it really is and how long it is. There's no flat spots until you get to the top.
Right. And there is a more direct route. I think that our tour guide mentioned that if we didn't want to take the walk up to the top, that there is a way, whether
Sure.
it's an elevator or whatever, there is an easier way to get up to the Jardin
Yeah,
Exotique
and
at the top.
to get the full feeling of the place, might be better to take the elevator up and walk down, and that way you still will get the feel of the place.
Right. Because as you heard in the video, there was a lot of huffing and puffing, and I did have to stop and take a break there for a moment. So it is something that if you have mobility issues, to make sure that you keep in mind. And one thing that I would absolutely recommend is that you don't do it as a part of a tour. Like the tour that we were on was phenomenal because we went to several different places. But when you do a tour like that, you're limited. We were limited. I'm sure you heard in the video. Piers was very much like, we only have a certain amount of time. We have to get to the top. And we could have spent the whole day there exploring the different shops. And there's a hotel. We have heard that hotel, of course, is spectacular. I'm sure very pricey. We've heard it's very pricey.
Restaurant/cafes.
Cafes, restaurants. We've heard to go into the hotel and just have a drink, that there's a place at the bar area where you can look out onto the Mediterranean, and it's just spectacular. And it was. If you are taking a trip to the south of France and you have not yet been to Eze, we highly recommend that you do so, and you don't do so as a part of the tour. You really plan on spending some considerable time there. And you can also go down, which we did as a part of our tour, and go to the perfume factory, which is a very well-known perfume factory in the area. And that's a very interesting experience as well. And just a couple of interesting facts about Eze. The village itself is literally that, like on top of that hill. We didn't realize these facts about Eze, and as we're making our way, we're noticing, oh, there's like little apartments, there's places where people, like, that's the village. The whole mountaintop is the village of Eze. And so 2,200 people. It's from the 12th century. It's totally medieval, from Roman times, and just a lot of, like all of France, just amazing history associated with it, let alone the spectacular views. So we really hope that you enjoyed coming along with us. We have many more experiences that we're going to share with you. And Tony is limiting how much he's talking because of his voice and how he's feeling. But next time.
I don't feel so bad. I just can't breathe.
Well, just to add a little personal touch here, we did take on a second cat, and wondering if that might be my parents asked us to adopt their cat, which we did. So now we have 2 cats, and we love their cat. He is just, Kino is adorable, and we're loving on him a lot. But I think maybe that might be adding
Maybe.
to Tony's allergies. We'll see. We're still assessing the situation. But we hope that you join us back here next week when Tony will be hopefully feeling, breathing better. And thanks for joining us today.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. A bientôt.